Hello YouTube. This is what you can. This is what you can have if you just comment and subscribe and like my videos. You can have these. I will show you how to make these. They're awesome. Freddy Krueger claws. Be really cool. Be awesome, right? There he is. See, if I make these, though, it's like, you can like claw and stuff. It's claws.
Little youngster.
So buy these. You have to buy these on plan. But yeah, let's try them out for you. Alright. Holla. So comment in the comment section below, like and subscribe, and you can have some of these bad babies. If you already know how to make them, there you go. No, comment in the comment section. You can use some. Cool. But yeah, I don't know if I've told you guys, but I'm going to be gaming. I'm going to be playing Splatterhouse, so for Xbox 360. So watch that video. They're kind of sharp to wear, but they feel good. They can get comfortable on your feet. They're comfortable. Peace.